Hello and welcome back, and this is another quick chord tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at the C major chord, which is played like this. If you're a little unfamiliar on the fretboard, how to navigate it, which strings are which, then check out the video just linked above. That'll just detail how to make your way around this and to know what you're doing. Otherwise you're in the right place and we're ready to go. So on screen somewhere around there, you're going to see a diagram on the screen just so you can see exactly what's going on. But basically we just need 3 fingers on this, and it's played across frets 1, 2 and 3. So first of all, you want to take your index finger, you want to place that on fret number 1, string number 2. Your middle finger, that goes on fret number 2, but this time on string number 4. And your ring finger, that goes on fret 3, string number 5. And you strum from the 5th string down. It's quite easy, quite simple. If you are strumming though and you're a bit conscious of hitting this string, string number 6, a good tip, and you might notice my thumb's poking over a little bit at the top, that is bad practice sometimes unless you want to do it on purpose. And what you want to do there is take your thumb and just rest it on top of string number 6 so it mutes it and make you strum away. And that is how you play a C major chord. Now I would recommend that you check out the rest of the videos in this playlist. They'll give you a breakdown on how to play a few of the basic chords that are great for starting out with. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.